Man, Range USA. Came out to do something pop, man. I'll record. Go to the range, man. I ain't gonna record in the stall because for obvious reasons. You can go ahead. I ain't gonna record in the stall, man, for obvious reasons, but yeah, I know what's going on. But copyright on, so get y'all back. Yeah, so we got that done. Range USA, man. They always treat me right. Went there and got a little stress off real quick. Uh-oh. Got a little stress off real quick. Yeah. Pop shot the AR. Shot that 357 with Ashley said she'll never shoot again.
Still shaking.
We ain't shoot the shotgun. They said we couldn't shoot that enough. I ain't had the right ammo for that, so. He let me pop one of them. He was like, no. Don't shoot that. So I gotta get me something else, man, to shoot. I had to get him from here to shoot the shotgun or whatever.
Less grain.
Huh?
Less grain.
I think that I can only use slugs here. I think that's what they said. They weren't having them buckshots. They was like, no. They're like, I ain't never seen this ammo before. Go ahead and do one. Go ahead and fire one round. As soon as he hit that paper, he said, no! No, can't do that. Okay. So man, we headed back to the crib. Oh, we gotta go by your house.
Yeah, if you wanna do it, go and do it now. Do it later, whichever you wanna do.
I don't know what you're gonna be doing tomorrow, so
yeah.
Go on grab it now. But yeah, I'll holler at y'all, man, when we get to the house. Don't mind this. Clean. Nah, it's alright. Hey man, but for real, I just wanted to share this with y'all real quick. Hey man, these folks right here, man, these folks the GOAT, bro. Man, I just ordered this stuff day before yesterday, and it's already here. Like, hey bro, can't nobody say nothing bad about you, lying, bro. Like, these folks here, man. Hey man, these folks the truth. I'm sorry, these folks here the truth, dog. Oh, they're really just trying to show y'all what I've been up to, man. You know what I'm saying? And of course, y'all know I got the car stuff going on. And y'all know I got the merch, which this is old school right here. This is vintage right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know that. But I actually been taking it serious, man, with the merch and whatnot, trying to get everything together, man, as far as you know what I'm saying, the merch. I got shirts. I actually got shorts now. So yeah, man, it's been a little different for me. So actually, man, I don't even know how to tell y'all. But anyway, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Go and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button. Drop a comment, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, y'all let me know some insight on what y'all, you know what I'm saying, what y'all think I got going on. But right now, man, I'm looking at my man cave, man. And y'all know I'm 100 with y'all. I'm 100. Keep it 100. Like, the man cave has to transform, man. Like, it has keep thinking I be hearing stuff. The man cave has a transformer, man, so I'm gonna tell you why. I'm about to get, well, I have a website already, BillupNation.com. Now, I'm about to open an online store. So by the time y'all see this video, the store will probably be open already. But yeah, man, I'm about to open an online store. So the man cave is about to be the hub for the new Below Nation store, man. So let me show y'all what I'm working with in the man cave, man. And now I ain't focusing. Focus. I don't know what we're going on with my camera, but anyway, that's what we're working with, man. Oh my God. I got U-line stuff. I got merch over there. I got trophies. I don't even know what all this stuff is over there. Those stuff in the gun range, duffel bag. Those when I was painting the bathroom. Like I got all this stuff in here, man. So all this, it's gotta go somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I got mail, bills, like stuff when I open the merch, and you know what I'm saying, to check my stuff, and I got all this stuff in here. And like it gotta go because I gotta get set up. So let me show you. Well, I ain't gonna say let me show you. Yeah. Well, I don't even know how to do this, man. But like I got a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, man, so I've been ordering stuff for the store, man, so I can, you know what I'm saying, do this stuff at the house. So man, hey, y'all don't mess with U-line. U-line ain't paying me to say this, but hey, man, them folks are the truth. Them folks are the truth for real. Like, for real. But I got my Dymo printer, man, to ship my to do my shipping labels. You know what I'm saying? Look, art y'all back there. The new shirts, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Shorts over here. You lined them my thank you bags. You know what I'm saying? When folks buy stuff from me, you know what I'm saying, locally or whatever, and I have to take it to them. That. I just got a lot of stuff going on. So I gotta get all this stuff out of here, man, so that I can get set up. I got paint in here, so I can get set up to put all this stuff here. I need me a table in here or a little desk or something. Like, bro, I gotta get this together. And the only reason why I showed y'all this, man, like I said, bro, I keep it 100 with y'all. So I want y'all to see like what state my man cave was in. So I said I'm trying to clean all this stuff. I got workout stuff here and everything. Clean all this up so I can make room, man, for my hub, man. I got me a shipping hub now out of the man cave. So yeah, let me start tackling this. Now let y'all see how far I get, if I get anywhere, or how I organize it or whatever. Let y'all see it from now. It's gonna be interesting. I'm sweating. That's because my dog Mike stopped by, man. Memphis Mike stopped by, picked up his shorts, man, and dropped off a little hen, man. You know what I'm saying? He shared the hen with me, and he you know what I'm saying, did that right there. We head on and laced me with that old good hen, man. Bought shorts, left me with some hen. Can't have a better friend. But anyway, that ain't what y'all here to see. Y'all want to see how far I came with this room, man. So we got a little more space, man. You know what I'm saying? Got a little more space. Still got a lot to do. I got a whole bunch of paperwork and credit card bills and stuff like that in here, man. So I gotta get rid of all that. I think I'm gonna build a shelf. I think I'm gonna adopt an idea that I seen from a 7-8 Chevy boy, man. You know what I'm saying? He got all his hardware outside. He got a shelf like this. He got shelves like that right there around his garage, and that's where he keep his hardware, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all of my stuff off of there. You know what I'm saying? Off of that shelf right there. You know, Big Barry she gotta have space for her hardware too. So she got her hardware right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer that over there. Probably build some more shelves. Cause this right here, this ain't even really up there good. So what I'm gonna do is probably rearrange some stuff. But I'm gonna have that shelf right there for her hardware. I'm gonna put some shelves on this side for my hardware, man. We're gonna do it like that. Might be a shelves all the way around here. I don't know. Me and my daddy get together, we'll do that. So build some shelves, man, for the hardware. Yeah. Still have that over there though, cause that's up there pretty good. This right here just, it ain't really up there good. These cabinets, I don't know. But I got another thing I had bought a long time ago, man. When she first got the Jeep, I bought a thing, man. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang that right here, and I'm gonna hang the other one over there. Let me show y'all what I got. I got these things right here, man. I don't know what you call them, but I got a Jeep one and I got a Corona one. So the Jeep one will obviously go on her side where the Jeep is, and then the Corona one will go right here. Go over here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Beer over here, no beer over there. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Just some little decor. Might put it up there somewhere, I don't know. Just some little decor, man, but yeah. I'm tired too, I ain't lying. But yeah. So I'm about to call it a day, man. Got a whole bunch of wire over here too. I don't know where it came from. I guess it was in a kit or something. I don't know. But getting ready, man. I got some PIVs over here in the corner for Big Barry, man. See that? Boop. Big Barry she got 2 PIVs right there. She got 2 out in my storage out in the back. So the only thing I gotta do is get her amp, wire her up. Oh no. I gotta get some adapters too, some speaker adapters for it, because the holes are different for the factory speakers. So gotta get some adapters for it. And that's pretty much it. Once I do that, that's it. So yeah. Man, I think that's it, man. I gotta really decorate my room though. Like, I gotta change out this, of course. They gotta go. You know what I'm saying? All these little light fixtures and stuff, all this stuff, they gotta go. I don't know. I probably never use that. And I probably never use that either. But that gotta go. That over there gotta go. The rest of this stuff, man, we just gonna update it, man. You know what I'm saying? Update that. Get some paint in here. Damn net. Get some paint in here, man, and yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Or how would I even do anything with that. But yeah. So yeah, man. That's it. But yeah, man, hopefully I have some updates soon about the store. If I do, it'll be in a story. It'll be in my story. Well, like I said, by the time y'all get this video, the store already be running. So, yeah. Let's see what we can get into next, man.